Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Today, I want to be doing something funny, like in Disney cartoon character challenge. Let's see who requested it. I forget. Let's see. 1 second. CranberryChick. Yeah. So she requested that. I just need to pause the video and see who she is. So yeah, that was ours. So she told me to do another challenge, but a little bit funnier. Alright, oh my god. Thank you for doing the face reveal, Swag Froakie. Congrats on 21 subscribers. Oh god. So, I don't know how to do this. This is funny. Anyway, I am gonna post a new video, and it's called The Real. I said The Real. The Real. What's called? Intro. Yeah, The Real Intro. And sorry I was jumping. So yeah, I made one with Panzoid. Go do it. Alright, now I'm seeing birdies. I'm gonna faint. Did you see that? Tried my best to not be embarrassed though. Anyway, thank you for the new subscribers. I keep on getting subscribers. I love it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye!